Introducing the MTM-25F-250F Torque Tester Universal from Flexible Assembly Systems. This advanced torque tester from AIMCO combines versatility, durability, and user-friendly features to meet the needs of various industries. With a broad torque range of 2.5-25/250 ftLbs3/81/2 Dr. It can handle a multitude of applications, from light-duty fastening to heavy-duty industrial tasks. The state-of-the-art sensors and advanced algorithms ensure highly accurate and repeatable torque measurements, giving you confidence in your results. The large, easy-to-read digital display provides clear and precise torque readings, while the peak hold function captures and retains the maximum torque value for easy reference. This torque tester also offers various measurement modes, including real-time, peak, and preset torque, providing flexibility for different testing requirements. Trust in AIMCO's expertise and invest in the AUET/MTM-25F-250F Torque Tester Universal to achieve precise and consistent results in your quality control, production testing, and R&D applications. Visit FlexibleAssembly.com today to learn more.